What up, what up, what up? You see it, 63 Impala. Finishing touches. I ain't been to the shop in a couple weeks, man, so we got to get this thing jumping and moving and grooving. We got an electric fan for it, so that clutch fan's going to come off. Got another water neck. Had to change the direction because of where the water neck is over here. We got a floor shifter. Show that to you, which is, I think it's just sitting in there. Yeah, floor shifter. And then transmission cooler, and we're gonna drive it. Put some transmission fluid in it, and then we're gonna drive it, y'all. So stay tuned for that to happen, man. Of course, you know, we got this going down in the Monte Carlo. Today this, tomorrow that, the next day that, or today this and that. We're gonna bounce around. We definitely gonna get it jumping because we gotta get the engine off the trailer and get it broke down. Oh man, my man come through. He come through, said, I see y'all got, he talked to Ken 10 about some box Chevy parts, and hooked us up with the bumper filler, GM part, bumper filler for a box Chevy. GM box Chevy bumper filler, 88, 86 to 89 or 90, something like that. Like I said, it's a GM part. It ain't no, you know what I mean? Sand and buff, ready to put it on the car, man. And if anybody's interested in that, right there, man, holla at me. Bumper filler for the box Chevy. Front bumper filler for the box Chevy. Brand new, still in the box. But yeah, man, so that's where we at. We're gonna make sure and get him jumping, moving, and grooving, y'all. So we gotta, let's say we're gonna move his water neck. See how it's pointing this way? It's generally radiators here. Well, being that the neck's over here, we're gonna do it like that. And I almost guarantee the water neck on the other engine was probably the same way. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. And then, let it ride, man. Let it ride. I gotta get to it, man. Gotta hide some wires, take this off, get the fan installed, transmission cooler. That will be it. I wanna make sure I got room for the cooler. Yeah, we good on that. Let's say it's getting an electric fan here. Just be key on hot, key it on, fan comes on, ready to ride. And then there's something different here for the shifter. So it's a round rod. That'll take care of that. We golden, man. We are golden. We still got the flat plate if need be, but I know the round rod's gonna be better. Here's my adapter plate for the shifter. We in there, man. So we got to get him done, driving, and go from there. He said he gonna take care of the AC, and then power steering, something different. Gotta get some lines made, and I don't know nobody around here to do any lines for me. So, and that's just a matter of getting lines made, pull this one off, put the other one on, and it's done. You know what I'm saying? So, but as far as getting the motor running, getting it in there, we in there, man. We in there. It does run. Hit the key, starts. We're gonna drive it next, y'all. We're gonna drive it next, y'all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. 1963 Impala. Man, if this is what you like, man, hey, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, man. Because I know somebody, you know, has rode in one of these, or grandpa had one, grandma had one, uncle had one, aunt had one, somebody, mom, dad, somebody had one of these rides, man. As far as me working on a 63 Impala, this is my first time. Very first time working on a 63 Impala. I always wanted one. When I seen Boys in the Hood, I was like, yeah, man, I gotta give me one of those 63s or 64 Impalas. But then, I guess I grew out of that. I wasn't really too happen to have a 63 Impala. I like them. I like the body lines. I like that they're a steel car. It's a car that I like. It's not a car that I have to have. You know what I'm saying? Or I really, really, really want. So anybody that's, knows the 63 Impala, man, is really the big scene in the hydraulics, big scene in the air ride, big scene in the paint, and chrome, and man, they really, really do it up, man. I'm gonna walk down this one. All right, as far as the trim goes, look like we just probably beat that one. And then, of course, that, man, and then to be honest, if this was mine, I'd do scallops on the top, with a real bright color of some type, or maybe black, or maybe tan. And then I'd knock all this down to where it's smooth. And I put me a satin clear on it. Then I'd come back here and I put these antennas, the antennas that are facing back, I put them on it. Me myself, would I lay some paint on it? And I would preserve it, because I'd almost guarantee that this is the original paint. And I'd go ahead and lay a satin clear on it, man. Rock with it like that, man. You can see the discoloration on this side versus the other side. Like this side may have been lower, sitting, where it was sitting like so. Water collected over here or under a tree. Yeah, man. Like I said, that trim we got this trim. I think that's the only piece of trim missing on this car, which is a good, that's saying a whole lot. We did have a couple people come by the shop, and one of them happened to know or see or somebody with one of these, and he said, if you need anything, let him holler, let him know. I didn't get a number or nothing, but if you look down it, like I said, look at the trim. All the trim is there. Motor fit in there pretty good. I'm gonna say it didn't. It's got, I wouldn't want to put headers on it because it looked like it'd be a beast to get them on. I'd run these manifolds we got right here and let it eat. He said he's gonna take care of the AC. Either he's gonna fix it or maybe just pull it out. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? So, and if I ain't mistaken, that number, that 230, that's gonna be the original engine, man. 230 with a 2-speed power glide, I want to say. It says 1963, man. If this car could talk, if it could tell you how many miles it's traveled, it could tell you how many states that it's been in. If it could tell you what has took place, you know what I mean? It's seen a whole lot. A whole lot has changed through the era of this 1963 to 2022. You look at the Impalas now, man, it's half this car. So again, smash that like, hit the subscribe. 1963 Impala 350 with the 350 turbo trans, engine swap. Rocking and rolling, man. We got it. I feel like we got it taken care of. Man, that damn compressor. I gotta go shut that thing off. And then we're gonna, like I said, we come back, man. We're gonna be hopefully driving it, man. Hopefully, man. Prayerfully that we put it in gear. She does what she needs to do. Y'all see it, man. We're getting the jack off the jack. Off the rollers. These are car dollies, man, come in handy.
hit. You see that smoke.
Yeah, man.
What you got going on, Swaps?
Man, I think I got a vacuum line off. I got to fix, but she peppy, man. She peppy.
She peppy.
All right, y'all. We back again with the 63 Impala. We got my man Andreas is gonna tell everybody about it. And we back with
another video.
Another who?
Another video.
With who?
Bye bye G Money.
No. Oh yeah, that's what he says. Yeah. But we with what's your name?
Andreas.
We with Andreas. And what kind of car is this?
Impala.
Exactly. This is Impala. No, that's not how that one works. He wants to pop the hood, y'all. Show y'all the work he had a hand in doing. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. He had a hand in doing. So what did we do to this car?
We put the motor in.
All right, what motor? Where did this motor come from?
It came from
G Money's car.
G Money's car.
Right. This motor came from G Money's car. Great. So, and you helped, right?
We had to put the oil in because to make it start because it'll keep turning off.
Then the gas.
It's a 230.
No, it used to be a 230. Now it's a 350.
We did a lot of work on there.
Well, tell us something about it.
We started it and it was really loud.
Did you drive it or ride in it? You did ride in it. Okay.
You want me to show you how to start it?
No, we don't have the keys.
Who has the keys?
They're put up.
Over there.
Of course, we got the video. We got a video of us driving the car, so that's a plus. First thing, and brakes work. Steering, that big old steering wheel, man. It's taking like forever to use the steering wheel. And then, you know, it's electric fan, of course. So, all right. What up, y'all? You see, the Impala is moved, man. So if you're just now chiming in and you haven't seen the process that we went through as far as getting this thing to move, we'd like to say we started with the 230. It came here on the trailer, not moving under its own power. We actually pulled it in the shop. And did the motor swap. Pulled the motor from the Landau Caprice, put it in the Impala. Of course, you know, it sounds like it's just a simple old, you know, pull out, put, you know, but there was other things changed too. Now it does have electric fans. Something had to be done with the drive shaft. Linkage for the shifter linkage had to be changed. And then we, you know, went with a floor shifter, and then we had to add a pedestal to the shifter. The shifter was sitting too low, so I had to add a pedestal to it so it will sit up high like it's supposed to. And then made some brackets for the electric fan and all that. So man, I mean, a little bit had to take place. Yeah, drive shaft. So it wasn't no whole lot. But you know, while working on this, was doing other things too. But she's ready to go to Mitch, man, and let him give it the one over. I feel like that he gonna say he gonna paint it. I don't know what he say he gonna do with it.
Paint it and I don't know, do all kind of stuff. Frame off, I think. Him and Perch talking about frame off.
Frame off. So, you know, he know he got to run and drive a little automobile now, so, and peppy. So, from there, I think we got it made, man. Appreciate y'all watching, man. The build, the process. Shoot, man. You know, it's probably, you know, one thing at a time, one day at a time, man. Y'all be blessed, stay blessed. Swaps out.